Today we're going to go over PubChem. PubChem is an open chemistry database from the National Library of Medicine. PubChem was created in 2004 to house and make accessible chemical and biological activity information. They have expanded to add more chemical information since then, and currently PubChem's website provides access to the world's largest collection of freely accessible chemical information. PubChem mostly contains small molecules, but the database also has larger molecules such as nucleotides, carbohydrates, lipids, peptides, and chemically modified macromolecules. Information on chemical structures, identifiers, chemical and physical properties, biological activities, patents, health, safety, toxicity data, and many others are also provided in PubChem. Some of the most common uses for PubChem include learning more about a chemical or a drug or medication, to get information for class, job-related, or lab-related work, and also to mine data for biochemical research. While data was originally only from lab groups, now it comes from over 750 sources, ranging from university labs, chemical vendors, government organizations, pharmaceutical companies, and other chemical biology sources. There are both targeted, manual, and automated ways PubChem establishes and maintains its currency, validity, and reliability. Actual people manually vet submitters and contributors to validate who they are and what's legitimate and transparent. Algorithms then will check submitted data with contributed data. Then, in post-production, when the information goes public and there's questions from the outside, those will also be resolved manually. Let's go into PubChem and take a look. The homepage provides the capability to search for compounds, summaries, substances, and bioassay records, patent views, and more. The About link is one of the most useful About links I have seen on a database. It has lots of great information on what's included in PubChem and also easy how to use it information. One tab I will point out is the Statistics tab. Here you can see the live count of what is in PubChem. These numbers continue to grow. Let's go back to the home page and do a quick search. I am going to search in this bar for styrene. Let me select this first one of the compound best match. But before we click it, let me show you on the bottom, you can see that it's divided into compounds, proteins, etc., different ways to organize the information. When we select it, the first thing you see is the compound summary, including structure images, chemical safety data sheets, molecular formula weight, and a summary of what it is. As you continue to scroll, you will see all sorts of content available, and you will also see a lot of similarities to what information is provided within PubChem as there is with SciFinder. The easiest way to navigate all of this information is by using the contents bar on the right-hand side of the screen. Some information we can search through includes chemical vendor information, literature about the compound, and even patent information too. You can find a lot of information in this open access source.